Na sɛ Kristofoɔ ammɔ mpaeɛ anyɛ akɔnkye na sɛ otumi bra nyamesom ase deɛ a dwuma a wɔdi bi obetumi adi nkonim.
And so if Christians do not pray and fast, then it means that he can conquer and then do whatever he wants to do.
Eyata na nyeba wo Kristo tonele mato chinu do mato ado gbadawa ka abosama edu fiane mi ajibe mi bobo mi adokwe alomi didi.
Ma menkyerɛ wɔ adeɛ bi abra yare ne firi ase a yɛnya 30 cases ɛwɔ Ghana ha no lockdown by.
I want you to understand this or consider this. Before, when we hadn't even had about 30 cases, was there anything like lockdown?
Yɛnya lockdown.
We had the lockdown.
Hey, kemi le Ghana du come amomo dolela mebado amebla togon wa lockdown va Ghana du come.
Sɛ abra yɛnya 50 cases yɛnya lockdown na sɛ ndɛ yɛwɔ 10,000 cases na ɔmo abien sɛ yɛnam abɔnten a wɔte aseɛ.
How do you understand this? If we had 50 cases and we had lockdown, and now the number has risen to about 10,000, and they're asking us to go out freely, how do you understand it?
Fifi menya amebla to lockdown va kaka fifi menya ame akpena do fifi a lockdown o biba mesama atoyi esegoma.
Ma menkyerɛ wɔ adeɛ bi this year ɛyɛ election year.
I want you to also understand that this is an election year.
Medwe se egoma be efeya me anya kodada ngoni.
Na amanyɔ sɛm a ɛkɔ so wɔ wiase afa na nyinaa no Antichrist edi mu akoten.
And all our political games is being ruled by the Antichrist, or he's involved.
So
all over the world, all the political games or political thing that is going on all over the world, the Antichrist power is ruling in it.
Antichrist to mean edisa ye politics.
Amanyo Samuel Koso Riasi Afana.
Etu hanyaya kata legim le kike me godoa ple ko danya kata legim le kike me godoa abosama eya hapam se egede me eya chele dowom
won se sisia obi etu ho yie no yesi obi entumrika enkoye ne voters card and ne ECOWAS card.
They're asking us to rush to make sure that we have our Ghana or ECOWAS card now that there's no lockdown.
And voters
ID card as well.
Akpobe fifiye be lockdown megaliwa enna mesema akpale sama mesema ne never wo be Ghana card pe ECOWAS card ya.
Na se wo hwe Ghana card ne ECOWAS card na yekoye na omo firi ase anopa 6 anopa 7 na omo apo anwumre 6.
And the time for this cards ranges from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Ghana kadia nebe ojegon le gadre no ojegon gadra wa pa gade
Adenti na card na yekoye de yebekwa na pa 7 na omo close anwumre 6 na sorry eye 1 hour.
Why is it that we spend so many hours just to have a card, but when it's time for us to go to church we have to spend just an hour?
Nukata mi agble eyi le Ghana kadwa yi gadre apa ga ade ya solomon odo no oza gabofo de kako
The omo kachire nimpa ne se asofo ne pe wo correction ene wo nsika agege inti na wo su se momra asore na wo hu se politicians no so no wo pe wo vote ene se na be ya nkrofo betumi ato aba inti na wo so ma ya register for voters ID card ne ECOWAS card no.
They are trying to make us understand that the pastors want their offering and small monies. That is why they are craving for that attention. But don't we also see that it's because they want their power, so they want us to have our ID card so we can vote for them?
Amegede ole nupo be yo sofo wa yo egadimi yo le ata ole nupo mbega for the comments of bana yo kamete ma bi oba me kanye duprola e komi wo Ghana kadia ai gadre akpa gada yo hon lo pon senti be mi adakone e ata ona ogle eyi gbogbo ma be mi da mi ba wo Ghana kadia
Enti se asori asofo akase moma yenkọ asori na mo se sika wo kope ene bu a wokobu nkrofo ntina mo se moma yenkọ asori dia ene ECOWAS card no ene voters card no so a mo abie ense ne de yenkoye na nopa no nse to eyimiri no nso no dentia.
Why is it that, or the question is, why is it that if pastors are saying, okay, yes, is because we want to cheat our members and that we need our offering from them, then why are you allowing us to register right from the morning to evening just to have our cards?
Mediama bia benenye ba amegero le nupo be yo sofo wa collection alo guy ke wa joy ya dimi le yo ta me yire so me ne didia ke mediama bia be no kata nye duprola agbo be yina fa wo Ghana kadalo ekowa kadia ga adre na kpaga de
School for a cotton classroom, how many hours?
9 to 1.
9 hours.
9 to 1.
4 hours. So school for a school 4 hours. Dear, na market for so a market fit and a pacosia in redia. Why church 1 hour?
Why is the church operating for just an hour when school children will be in the classroom for 4 hours and our market women will be there from morning to evening?
nukata wanye me school bio wa ide school gabopo wa menne mi ajila wekela asicha wa ide asimecho ndi akpaga efieme ya obesolme ya mi awe gabopo de kako
Afeso amembi so asem yo adenti and especially Ghana ha no yenya nkrofo mo de won ho asi ho se omo be yi asofo bonefo nyina free system nim na mo no wonye wa adwene se omo be yi amanyofo bone nyina so afiri amanyo mu.
My next question is, right here in Ghana, that is in Ghana here, why do we have some people or somebody who has sacrificed to make sure that every fake pastor is brought out, but he has not planned of bringing out those bad politicians?
Nibe ba bia mediama bia nyebe nukata amede ya edogo vabale ameyo kenye sofo ke mechomo gbo elo gede golo onko yom le egota ya ameyo kele duhenya wom he mecho me wona susude kamele mo ma to ka me ma de go
Adenti ena wobama kwan se trotro drivers VIP commercial vehicles nyina enlodu nkrofo nko up and down fiti anapa kwasi enyumre na yama asore 1 hour.
Why have they allowed our transport system to work right from morning to evening and they are giving just an hour to the churches?
nukata fe wada sile mi afa driver on bo wa wodo chonti kaka wa do fien wa na mi afa solme to wa yi solme gabopo de kako
Adenti ena akoba ne se mokọ asore a monchoro din ya na monchoro bia number ene obia house number se wo hu na mom no ankoba ne se mokọ marketer monchoro bia obaba market din ne house number ne telephone number. Adenti ya.
Why is it that for those of us who go to church, they are asking that we write down our names, our telephone numbers, our house numbers, and all the details about us, but when we go to the market, we do not do such?
nukata wanyebe wa gbona mi be nyebe mi de mebe solme ko ma mi de mebe solma mi ngom ya fon ko mi ngom mebe telephone number mi ngom mebe afeke me mi le fe number ko dada ka ke o ma gbona me yo kala si cham na si mebe no over yo hono ngone ne ma ko dada yo
Asama obi no mo kan se sene be ya se woyen hwehwem na obi anya yare ani bia da nimpa na de kwa asore no ya be kire won mo a wo so ba asore saa da ni nyina akokorantine won.
Some are saying this is because if they happen to have someone who on a particular day had this pandemic, then it means he has spread it. And so whoever was found in church that day, everyone will be taken for quarantine.
amede pe nyaike ogbona nyebe ne nyebe amade chola pe me yide solime e dolele vondi ma ele nwa ni ko wa wa ba pro me mo katan le solime over church gbe ma gba wa pro katan ayo ba quarantine o.
Eninti adenti ena wo hu se nipa no saa da no so ko dwa so a yenkokire nipa o mo wodwa mo ho nyina.
Then why is it that if someone was also found in the marketplace on a particular day with the pandemic, every person in that market on that day won't be arrested?
Nukata wanyebe ne nyebe amema alomi le gogobe na amade somo no lia nukata amade do anon waba asime aba plenu o ma to wonu numekuku ala mema okata na asime akpra ko quarantine wo.
Enam saa de nti bebrese ende na ye nkwa asoro kura na nkoba ne se o ma kyero ye din na saa da na obi ba ya o ma amekire nti ye nkwa asoro kura.
Because of this collection of details, people have just refused to be in church, so that if they happen to be in church and someone came to spread it, then it means they were not going to catch it as well.
Eyata wana ya ota eta amedo kwa dobo susume be yo solome go ha yo ma yo la bena yo ma jenu yo yina made ko do na ko via no abala yo kata ba quarantine yo.
Saa bere susu no wate sɛ yare no soro a na ɛkɔ adɛn nti na yɛnhyɛ dan yɛ sɛ yɛkyekye nkurɔfoɔ.
Have we realized that our numbers are increasing as far as this pandemic is concerned, but we don't realize that we are taking people to prison?
Nenye be ele nkura me be dolola eji koyimo no kata fi eji koyimo le fifia.
Afei mebisa wo wɔn sɛ sisi a na obi bia obewu bia no yɛde hyɛ sɛ nipa na yare ne na eku no wonim sɛ ntiko.
I also want to ask this: do we realize that anybody who dies within this pandemic time, we say that the person had the disease? Do we know why?
Ye pe ba bia enye be ame semeke akule yi kemele dolele vondi yama ame ogbobe dolele ya enyanu kata ya.
Sɛnɛ bɛyɛ wɔn a ɔmo yɛ yare no betimi ama ehu ne suro no atena nimpa brabɔ so emre tenten a wɔn wɔpɛ.
So that those who came up with this pandemic will continue to put the fear and panic in people as long as they want.
Ebe ame yoke dolela la o dogo ba be dolele ma a dola anu bu ba sene simeke.
Wonim die nti a ye close airport ne adwuma huru bebree ɛwɔ yare emre mu.
Do you know why a lot of our airports are not working and a lot of companies have also locked down during this pandemic?
Enya susu kata nu yape ayaje pu no pe le kike me godo otu be ma wodoa pe yape company do pe gangan wa o lock be ma wodoa.
Antichrist no ene ne nkrofo no were meeting said they are going to crash the world economy. Omo beteti wiase yesika sam ne yedua ne disem yasetra na tete apansam.
The Antichrist with its crew planned and made sure that the whole world's economy was going to be destroyed, so that our living was going to be miserable.
Nuke abosan pe dona o wo bubele kike me godo ya pe ganyanu asesenami mi ape nu dugo ha mi ando anyanu ike asesenami.
Me no ekase America enimpa 47 million ena wo adwuma bɔ hom wotifie.
As we talk now in America, there are about 47 million people who have lost their jobs.
Kamera no pomfifia la America 47 million. Yonya America edoa egelonsi.
Ya de Ghana for more Kuwait 2000 aba.
About 2,000 Ghanaians who were living in Kuwait have been deported.
Nya no vi okele Kuwait a o le dollar te pomo okome alafave okogboe.
Sisi anya Ghana nko hwe wonim se Ghana for ma wo Dubai nyina no ya kyere wo mu over 2000 egudemu a ye twen plane ede ho aba Ghana.
It's not here in Ghana alone, but do you also know that in Dubai we have about 2,000 Ghanaians who have been asked to stay indoors so that they bring them down to Ghana?
Menye ya de ko mi no vi okele
Dubai nimpa 2000 ya pese don aba Ghana.
Mi no vi okele Dubai ya Ole ame alafa eve kode kome oke ole plane job yo ha no agbova obe du kome.
Sa nimpa over 2000 nyina so ahwere won adwuma e wo Dubai.
These over 2,000 people in Dubai have also lost their jobs.
Ame alafa ve yo kata kele Dubai yo kata obe do ha egelo osi.
Lockdown mrenu mu no uhu sene na okom edi nimpa bebre a wontumi mpie nkwa abonte nkota aduane.
We saw a lot of people who were very hungry during the lockdown period and could not go out to buy food.
Neyebe ele kuro le lockdown ama amegede okele koma edolo wum go ma tokpo eyi adogo abapre no adu.
Wonim se nipa bebre ya wotu kwan se wo could find niama ye businessmen and women and wo mo call holidays. Ewo wiase afa na nyina lockdown no koka won no sisi omugo airport a yesu a yenye aduane ndi.
Most people who went on holidays and those businessmen and women who just went for business have all been locked down, have all been quarantined or detained just because of this whole pandemic and its lockdown.
Nya no vi yo kenye asichala la mara we kan yide holiday. Amara we kenye businessman or businesswoman wa because of lockdown yata. Lockdown law le tepema amegedo le airport ni go han wa do omo pe o.
And intinin obinom gu airport, obinom gu quarantine area, a common succumb a kumkum.
There are most of them at the airport who have been locked as well, and those who have found themselves in a quarantine place where they cannot even get food or water to eat or drink.
Amegede onya ameyo ke mele nu pom le fifia amegede o koranta le tepede ke edokwe chiko le owum amegede han le airport don le owum.
Sisia ya antichrist no ene ne nkrofo abomode na wode ahokyere ne ahoyiraw ne otai abeto enimpa nyina so wo wiase afa na nyina no.
Now that the Antichrist and its crew have been able to make life miserable and stressful for everybody all over the world.
Ke futo abosam lava ko fu pepepe hian ka me ko dare amesia megile hike megodo.
Sisia no de etene se okomadew na wo ho akyerewo a emwa ebeba bia wo beje anameboa.
Now if you don't have money and you are hungry and someone offers help, then it means you are going to accept it anyways.
Nenyebe edole wum na de kemeleke awo nenyebe pekpede onde va be awede.
And into the antichrist and then nkrofo nim say so metimi afa wiase nyina numum aye won dia e wo se wo manim pa wo wiase nyina kɔ ahokyere esu ene adwotwamu.
Then the Antichrist knows that if they can control everybody in this world, then it means they have to put us in a situation where they can do so. That is why they are making sure that people are hungry and people need help dreadfully.
Tale yi boy ma ke futola le efe do wo adua nu ka wa wanye be anafu pepepe do me nu ya wa abamia jibe amegede wa ide kaka me.
Sisia no wonim Erin Chebia, Yabassia Bie Airport Nina Atum, ma baby obia kwakabia no bia to me could no crew.
Very soon they are going to allow people to travel in and out of our airport so that wherever anybody is detained, they can just come home.
Ma didi wo mi apa ayama fujepa wa ole fugada na afisi afika medechwa amesema aidepe edume.
Na senimpa ni nyina kodu won krom obia kodu ne man so a.
And if everyone happens to land in whichever town or country they came from,
Neyebe amesia meke enye emozola obadobe tepe ika ocho amesa obadobe ebe tepe voa.
Omo basan so abie kwan ama obia di ni dwa obia ye na adwuma apani sika within a short period.
They will make sure everyone comes out to work and get money within a short period.
Wa gademo amesia meke nye asichacha lo mesia meke le dodewa awodo agapo epega.
Na after that short period, a dangerous, deadly, long lockdown shall be announced.
Some many chumria afede make sure say benya lockdown ebe kwechire pa a emu
yehu na yedin nipa bebrebe.
Neyebe order sile moya obe neyebe ewodo gakpo gavoa iya de agavale ema megba Kenya lockdown ava adidi ama adukre hiakame emetogemile.
Mama baka kire nipa nyina se wo bie yen se obi ankoye na adwuma obi entu kwan no yare no asen shutu akosoro kese.
All that they are going to tell us is that after they allowed everyone to go out freely and do whatever they want, the number has just shot up.
Kawa gbronye beneyebe obi ba mesama ne wo fe do a nya kawa gbron dolala egava eyata lockdown gava.
Enti no se obi ti pile no owu a wode be hye COVID-19 obi yemuhwie no owu wode be hye COVID-19 okomedi obi na owu wode be hye COVID-19 owu bi e baba asase so wode be hye COVID-19 se de be ya ehu ba chichire nipa yie pa.
And so if someone had malaria, if someone was stooling, if someone had headache and died as a result, they will make sure that they say it's out of the coronavirus.
Eya tanu kaile jige na yeba amade jodo etaibe oku wa ko de dolele ya na yeba amade pe domala foji demole alona de wa me oku wa gbobe coronavirus kita na amekuda.
na ɔmo bɛsen beble mu nsɔrensɔre nyinaa sɛ wɔyɛ yɛ ma wɔ bie yɛ no ɛna yare adɔɔso nti no sisi a no mo bia yɛ asɔre bio.
And they will come out to blame the churches for spreading the pandemic. And so this time around, they are going to lock down the church.
Eya tawa va aglobe ke yobu solume wa na be dolele ya egaleji imta wa tu solme kura amade kama ga.
Emra baba man kan Bible man mo mpaye.
There will be laws that you should not pray and read the Bible.
Ya de baba ga wa gbona be mega ke Bible mega dogbeda o.
Na se eno no soso ba mu wiea na afei enipa wo wiase nyinaa no aba bedu tibia wo hia moa.
When that comes to pass, then it means that every person in this world is going to need help.
Nenyebe keva ha va enuva ya ado tepeda amesiama ahia peda unto.
Anenti wo ECOWAS card na wo voters card ne wo antichrist na card no wo pe na obetimi ekonye sika akota aduane.
And so during that time, those who have the ECOWAS card, the Ghana card, and the Antichrist card will be the only people to go out and do whatever they want.
Nenyebe Obama o America ECOWAS card la so alo Ghana card la so o mema he abosan have card la so wo kwe ato adogo aba plenade.
Wono mo a omode 666 chip no ahye won nipadua mu no won.
Those who have accepted the 66 to be implanted in their skins, they will.
Chip no.
The chip inside their skins, they will.
Ameyoke aga akwo 66 ka chip ya akode obe asitoma yoha akponse adogo aplenu.
Na safe yare no edi atose sense na efiri ase dia ene wa wanje vaccine no.
Now, if the pandemic was so serious, then it means that if you didn't accept the vaccine, you could not go out.
One
says is here no my max. So one share max ya bachelor we jelu and ya ba final. Sisi ya de baba say one vaccine you are enemy of the state.
Do we realize that now without the mask, you are either jailed or fined? There's going to come a time that if you don't accept the vaccine, then it means you are an enemy to the state.
Anintino Bill Gates ne Anthony Faja wo mo bebo modern say wiase mu nimpa mampani nyina be forso obia se oma ne nkrofo enje the vaccine.
And so Anthony Faja and Bill Gates will make sure that every president makes sure his people in the country accepts the vaccine.
Anthony Faja play Bill Gates abame benye be o mekonu se yawa o manamo wo
se ekoba ne sadia na odofo afetie me baba ye audio na ma kire mo the weapons mass destruction weapons akasia omo aye in the world.
When that happens, then I want you to understand that I'm going to come out to teach the mass weapons which are going to destroy or mass weapon destructions which they have created.
Obama nema amadogo ababa fonucho obe unse ke ogagbo wo fifi amafonucho enwunami.
Anenti wo mampani a wo se wore makwan ma vaccine no enye adwuma wo okrom no yesoma saa akode na ababa sei wo ne okrom fu nyina.
And so whoever or whichever president who does not accept this vaccine or make sure that his people accept the vaccine, they will send this mass destruction to your country and destroy everyone.
Eta o duplo like ma ko ko demo wa do penu ikenye nu vondi ke ogadua wa kwadoda avagblem yakata le duome.
Osman Morrison ni obetimi awasa pomi ana wa frame 0247701364.
This is Messenger Morrison. You can call or WhatsApp on 0247701364.
Nyenya gbara suma for Morrison ye atoyom le nyepe mo kapo jesiji 0247701364.
na obehu de enti a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛbɔ mpa yɛsrɛ nyame for a grace period sɛ ɔmmra mesi saa trimopɔbɔne kwan.
And you understand why we should pray and ask for God's intervention or this grace period so that he will protect us more.
Eyata ase goma ele ke ole be mi a Kristo to mi do gbara be mo fa menu bebe na no mi ajibe le yi ya mama no aga keke mi pe amenu bebe adaji.
Arofonom COVID-19 plan ɛma wehu sɛ yɛwɔ 0 hour for rapture.
My beloved, this plan of the COVID-19 has made us understand, or will make you understand, that we have 0 hour for rapture.
No vinya no to le eyi ya ma COVID-19 ya enna minya be le eyi ya ma enye na de ka o pe gafo eya ko siso fifia.
Limited hour for rapture. Emre kuma bi emre tiawe bi a rapture ede ba besi.
There is a limited time for rapture.
Eyi via de ko siso ne be na rapture na va.
Mama ya mom pai say grace period no be extended. God bless you all.
Let's pray that the grace period will be extended. Nyamishra munyina.
Minami adogbara be mo fa amanu bebe ya na wa kakata de no mo na ira mi akata.